If you just had a knee replacement, these are the 5 must-do exercises to ensure better recovery. The first exercise is a heel slide. This is going to help us improve knee bending. Start by lying on your back with your leg straight. Slowly slide your heel up towards your buttock, bending your knee as you go. Hold the stretch gently for a moment, then slide your leg back down to the starting position. You can increase the stretch by using a strap. You can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. The next exercise is a hamstring and a calf stretch combined. Lie on your back and loop a towel or a strap under your foot. Gently pull your leg up until you feel a stretch along the back of your leg and your calf. Make sure you keep your knee straight throughout the stretch. Hold it for 10 seconds and repeat 10 times. The next exercise is a quad set. This will help us strengthen the quadriceps muscle, which is often very weak after surgery. Place a small towel roll under your knee. Tighten your top thigh muscle to press the back of your knee downwards while pressing on the towel. Hold it for 5 seconds, then release. You can do 3 sets of 10 repetitions. The next exercise is a clamshell. Lie on your side with your knees bent. Keeping your feet together, lift your top knee upward, then lower it back down slowly. Be sure to keep your pelvis stable and avoid rolling backwards during the movement. You can do 3 sets of 10. The next exercise is a knee extension stretch. While seated, prop your foot up on another chair and allow gravity to stretch your knee towards a more straightened position. To intensify the stretch, you can use a small weight on your knee. Hold it for up to a minute and perform 3 sets. I hope this video was beneficial for you. Now, if you have difficulty bending or straightening your knee more specifically, go ahead and click on one of those 2 videos above. I'll show you some tips and tricks to help improve those 2 areas. Thank you for watching again, and go ahead and subscribe and hit the like button. I'll see you next time.